Guys, na-experience sige na ako guys ang gutong Batangas oh. Swiss. Swiss. The lemons. The lemons. Diba guys? Lami kay siya guys. Lami kay ang ilang rice. Ganan po silang rice. Hi guys, akong anak di ganahan tao. Pag iniilang hindi ganahan din kasi aftertaste ba. Hindi siya guys. Hindi siya guys. Ikaw yun, ganahan ka? Huh? Wow. Ganahan? Alam kayo? Ha? Alam kayo? Alam ba? Kanino? Kanino? Ano siya oh? Amot lang po. Indian or idang maka-explain ano guys kung unsa ni siya. Indian or Bangladesh oh? Ang yang baho guys something like siya. Ano yung nagdala upuan? Like baho. Wala sa upuan ba? Baho na guys. Nahulog. Tomato din hindi Kamatis mo na. Kamatis na gigiling. O diba, iduran ko dalo.
So, tagya ang India ba?
Hulot. Kung kabalo guys. I don't know guys what is this aftertaste. I think because of this
Usap dapat di bulan ni.
Ha?
Emang belum pamitat. Ada di lain ginawa no.
Wala diha buang mo ita. Dapat imo siyang i-taste daan.
Ada mo gunod.
Dapat i-taste mo daan siya. I allowed to live in India because I eat Indian food. Yeah. I think I want to cover India because I eat Indian food. I eat Indian food if the food is not dirty. If the preparation is not dirty. But if dirty, I don't eat Indian food.
Ako, nagkakawit ano yun? Yan, nakakano. Kada, pati dukot, ibalot.
Hindi man siya biryani, kung man siya masbati rice. Ha? Bahid mo niya ang masbati. Ba? Saka ka.
Ako, kamalupong ka.
Ba? Masabaw, baka mo na siya after taste kapag sa buhok ko. Maling panis mo. Pati na? I don't know if I came back here. I don't know if I came back eat like this kind of food. It's yummy man, but they have a aftertaste. I taste It means like something
I allowed to live
in
in
the Philippines. It's like panos,
This is
or
Indian
I
food,
think
but
it's
not dirty food.
and in the rice there are many lots of sagbot in there.
Prepared by the Philippines.
I think it's in the Philippines. I think it's flour of the hagunoy. I think it's dried flour of hagunoy. But the taste is yummy. I like the spicy and the masbati rice. It's a little bit rice, but it's make you full. So I think it's it's nice to eat masbati rice if you are on diet, because it's a little bit cup, but it's make you full. That's why. That's I think. And the chicken, of course, chicken is always it always tastes good, even if what is the kind of dish we cook, it's always tastes good. And the what is that, balbacoa, it's yummy, but after you, do you have a aftertaste like a panos taste ba, like that. So for me, I don't know if I came back to it. It's a pricey food. Then I think I'm not satisfied for the taste and the price, if ever. It's combined the price and the taste. I think it's not um uh I think it's not good like that. But if it is the price is not too much pricely, I think I came back. But the price is, it's so pricely. That's why if the price is pricely and the taste is like that, I don't think so if I came back. But it's okay. Maybe it's okay if you are on diet like that, because like I said, it's a little bit rice, basmati rice, and you make full. So for me, in my opinion, I don't know if I came back of this kind of food. It was what is that? Uy, kabsa. Kabsa. It was kabsa. I ordered three kabsa. It was almost 300 pesos serve. So then my daughter is not eat the basmati rice. That's why I order we order a plain rice aside for the basmati rice, because my daughter not eat the basmati